You are.
I'm ready. Are we done? Are we turning it on already?
Huh?
Well, my name is Tish Lesso. My husband Bob and I interviewed several people before we chose our realtor. And I just want to tell you that our choice of Cody Walker was probably the best thing we've done for this move. I was very worried about how physical all of moving is and packing because both of us are in our 80s. And Cody has been an invaluable help with all of that. And he's been over here on his own time, helping us with whatever we needed. And besides that, the home was very well marketed. We had a lot of people looking, a lot of interest, and we finally accepted one offer. And Cody has shepherded us through this whole process with little less strain and pain than we might have had otherwise. So if you're wondering about hiring someone who is young, I would simply tell you that there are a lot of benefits to doing that, as opposed to hiring someone who may be older with more experience, but who doesn't have the courage to really help his clients get where they need to go, which in our case is just getting packed and getting ready to move. So I appreciate Cody's help, and it's been a really good experience for us, and I would encourage you to give him serious consideration if you're planning to sell your home and you want someone to do it right. Thank you.